Maslow's Hierarchy of Needs. Maslow's hierarchy is a psychological theory that outlines a five-tiered model of human needs. It is mainly used as a framework for understanding and leading a team effectively. Let's take a closer look at each tier in more detail. The first stage of the model is physiological needs. This includes the basic physiological needs like food, water, or shelter. As a leader, you must ensure your team's basic needs are met by providing a comfortable workspace, regular breaks, good facilities, and a clean and safe kitchen and bathroom. The next stage of the model is safety needs. This includes the safety and security needs such as job security, health, and financial stability. At this stage, you must ensure you provide clear job expectations, a safe environment, and opportunities for development. Next, we look at belongingness and love. This is the need for social connection and belonging. At this stage, you provide opportunities for team bonding, facilitate positive relationships, and encourage teamwork and collaboration. Next, we look at your team's esteem needs. This is the need for feeling valued and respected by oneself and others. At this stage, you should always recognize contributions, provide your team with regular constructive feedback, and offer development opportunities. In the final stage, we look at self-actualization, which is the realization of one's full potential and personal growth. You can use the 360 feedback model as a way to understand personal strengths and weaknesses. At this stage, you should also be encouraging goals, helping your team pursue their passions and exploring their creativity. Now we have explored the 5 most important needs of Maslow's hierarchy. Let's take a look at some ways in which you can apply these stages as a leader. Explore individual differences. Recognize that each team member may have different needs and motivations. Effective managers tailor their leadership approach to accommodate these differences and meet individual needs. Progression and regression. People may move up and down the hierarchy depending on circumstances. Managers should be attuned to changes in their team members' needs and adjust their leadership style accordingly. Motivation. Maslow's theory suggests that higher-level needs become motivating factors once lower-level needs are satisfied. Managers can use this insight to design incentive and recognition programs that align with the specific needs of their employees. And holistic leadership. Effective leadership involves addressing all levels of the hierarchy. Managers should not only focus on task-oriented aspects but also nurture the personal and professional development of their team members. In summary, Maslow's hierarchy of needs provides a valuable framework for managers to understand and address the diverse needs of their team members. By recognizing where individuals are in the hierarchy and tailoring their leadership approach accordingly, managers can create a more supportive and motivating work environment, leading to increased employee satisfaction, engagement, and productivity.